Hi guys, nice to meet you. How to boil water faster. Comparison: pot with a lid vs pot without a lid vs electric kettle. Who wins? Let's find out. We will boil 1.5 liters of water in each case for a clear comparison. I got an induction stove. Let's go. First test, pot without a lid. Alright, let's go.
Flame is clean in the pot, but silver sheen, no lid needed, let it breathe. Bubble queen, it starts to see. Tick tick, what's this I see? Boy arrives so fashionably at 107, it's good to go. Smooth and fast, that's how we flow. Switch it up, put on the cap, trap that steam. It's science pap, elegant lit.
Okay, this is results in. Okay. Test number 2 with the lid. Let's go.
And it just gets done slower, baby, but still fun. Now plug it in, let's go deluxe. Electric whistle, fancy bucks. Chrome kettle, LED, luxury boil with USB. Starts at 232, full of might, but somehow it's
Alright,
just
start.
not right. Clock hits 3, I 6, and we still wait. Pretty yes, but second rate.
Now it's time for the kettle.
One came out, and guess who won without a doubt? No lid, no cord, just open flame. The pot went wild and took the game. Boil it rich, boil it free. Sometimes old school is luxury.
Today we discussed where water boil faster. See you next time. Bye.